He was touting a police case, I believe. Some 17-year-old self-proclaimed anarchist. Now listen, I've looked into this Rick Jones character, and he applied for rescue 2 years ago, but was knocked back at the psych assessment stage. Good riddance, I say.